But here, well, everyone, we have gotten informations on the new skin or Frost character, which is going to be, so the Haunted Forest event is now finished. So they said, now that you're finding your way out of the Haunted Forest, it's time to buckle up. December's forecast is going to break and somewhat frosty. Sorry. So it's gonna be like a Frost character or Frost skin. I believe it might be a Frost BB with a cube for the balloon. You know what I mean. But Balloon Boy already got a skin, and I believe if they make a character, it's just meaning that they're like gonna, I don't know. I think. Okay, so we got. Guys, I haven't got the icon yet. It's gonna be really hard. I'm so scared of this. But yeah. So we got like Swamp BB a little while back. And yeah. From my perspective. No, I don't know. Well, I think I'll put Fairy Frost Bear on now. Yeah, I'm gonna put him on. I think I'll take Jacko Chica, Flamethrower Bear, and No off. I don't know. I'm just gonna do like a workshop update with you guys. By the way, this is gonna be a thing with the bug. If you don't know the freezing glitch bug, it's really annoying me this time. It's like so like I don't know what to say. This bug is kind of getting really annoying. Illumix, I really wish by tomorrow's update, or maybe today's update, they can, I hope they update something today, actually, because I really do not like what's happening right now. It's because, like, I can't pull up streaks no more. Like, if you know what I mean, it's just, I don't want to live like this forever. Hold on. What character, species character we don't have? We have 4 bunnies, oh my gosh. We have 1 bear, 3 humanoid. We're missing a fox and a chicken. I think I'll take... Okay, well, whatever. I'll update it later, so, yeah. And if you don't know what bug I mean, it's when every time you beat a character, it just stays like that. And then we have, some people just goes and say, oof, for you. I don't have that bug because I have, like, a better friend. Okay, well, thanks for flexing.
Ahoy! It's time that ye should be getting properly afraid. You're stuck to the ground like a barnacle on the ship, aren't you?
Just watch. And at least I got it on video this time. If it doesn't, like, if it doesn't do the camera mode, I promise you guys that I will legit do a 6 upload for 1 whole week.
Signs of time are almost gone for you.
Which I know it's just saying that I wouldn't do and do like something like caring for my YouTube channel. I really want to do that, but it's school stuff. But I don't know, maybe I might. Like, at least like 3 days of 6 uploads. I swear, if it happens. No, you know what? Let's make it this.
Shall we parley? Just kidding.
Let's watch. It's not gonna happen. See? What am I gonna do, guys? What on earth am I supposed to do? If I just move slowly, then it's not part of the game. Do they want us to make it slow? If they want that to happen, how about you update the character's AI or some crap? But this is their game. You can't change AIs anymore. If you want to, it will, but it's gonna take a lot of courage. This is annoying, illumix. I've been going through this for 1 week now. I don't think I want to have this bug. I hate it right now. I don't like it. Can we find a way? Is there any way to update? Is there any way to avoid this, though? I really hope. If you guys have any tips, please leave it below. I think I am getting, like... But what tips I've done, they didn't work much either. So I don't know what to do. Well, anyway, with the new character, great. Well, we're gonna get a new character skin. I wonder what it will be. And this bug is annoying right now. So, yeah.